Okay everyone, so I'm just going to do part D today, quick video. Okay, so it asks for an auxiliary elevation, okay, of the entire solid which will show the true shape surface S. Okay, the surface S being that corner there that's cut off the stairs. Okay, and I have it drawn in here now, okay, in purple in the elevation, the side elevation. And then the most important point in this whole scenario to look for at the beginning is where you can see S as a single line, okay, which is right here. Okay, you're looking down from the top and you see the whole angle of S. Okay, so to do part D, what we need to do, guys, as you can see from the question, that angle is 60 degrees. Okay, so if you want to get the true size and shape of surface S, we need to look at it at 90 degrees. So what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to take lines at 30 degrees. Okay, from I have 1, 2, 3, 4 points. Well, basically all the points are going to go up at 30 degrees to the top left now, because we're going to be looking at 90 degrees to surface S. Okay, so when it's drawn at 60 degrees in the plan, we're going to take everything up now at 30 degrees. Okay, so I'll go ahead and do that now. Every point on the drawing is going to go up at 30 degrees. So as you can see now, I've taken every point lightly from my plan towards the top left hand corner at 30 degrees. Okay, now just here at the corner of point B, or sorry, part B, I'm going to draw another 60 degree line in now, which is parallel to the edge view of S in the plan. Okay, and that's now going to be my new ground line. Okay, I'm going to call that X1, Y1. Okay, originally when I done my elevation and plan and side elevation, sorry, my elevation and side elevation, they were both sitting on this line. That's the ground line. That should have been originally called the XY line. So basically now I have a new ground line up here for my next elevation. So I'm going to call this points 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, sorry, down at S in the plan, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and if I look at them now in my elevation, this is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Okay, so I'm going to take all these heights now. So look, I have point 1, it's on the XY line, so follow 1 all the way up here. That's 1 on the ground. I also have 4 on the ground, so follow 4 up. Sometimes it's easier just to follow with the set square, because you know there's so many lines. Now I also have to get the heights, so take your heights off your elevation. So the height of 1 in the elevation here off the ground is 45. So I'm going to have this up here. I'm going to go out an extra 45. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 1. So do the exact same thing now for 2, 2, 3, 3, and 4, 4. So I have 4 on the ground here. I'm going to be going up 15 millimeters for the one that's up high off the ground. Okay, there it is. That's 4. So I'm going to do now same. 3 is up 15 and 30, and then 2 is up 30 and 45. So I'm going to bring them up past the X1, Y1 line over here now. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. So from following and taking all my heights off my elevation, bringing my lines up 30 degrees from the plan, now I'm able to draw this shape, and that is what you call the true size and shape of surface S. Okay, so if I go ahead now, if you imagine you're this person standing looking from S straight at this, you're obviously going to, sorry, in the plan, I'm standing here, I'm looking straight at it in this direction, okay, at 30 degrees. You're obviously going to see these points. Okay, so I'm going to call that 5, okay, which should be here and here. 6, which should be here and here. Okay, that can be 7 then, which should be here 8, and there's 7, 8. Okay, so I'm going to take all my heights now off all of them, and I'll be drawing them up over here. So now I've drawn in, you know, you could say it's the kind of side wall at the side of the stairs. I took all my heights, remember I labelled them 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8. All my heights then, you 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, sorry, 7, 8, 7, 8. That's how it joins up. 8 now is a full line coming down until it meets the stairs here. Okay, and then it's dotted line, and 7 is a dotted line all the way down because it's hidden from where you're looking. Okay, now I'm just going to go ahead and finish off the stairs, and then people should be able to finish off the question then. So that there is how you finish it off. Okay, so if you're looking for numbers and points, if you call that point 9, 10, 11, okay, going up along here, you'll have 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11. Okay, so that's how it'll look like. So go ahead and try and do that. Thank you.